to the Natura Emporium Home Apothecary, where I teach you how to create simple and beautiful things for your home using herbs, flowers, and natural ingredients. Today we are going to make a lemon roller blend, which will help to brighten your mood and uplift your day. So the ingredients that you will need for this roller blend is fractionated coconut oil. You will also need the lemon essential oil and a roller bottle. These roller bottles have a little roller on the end. Some additional tools that you can use which might help with making and preparing this roller blend will be a little, I suppose, key, which we call it. And these help to pop out the tip of the roller blend like so. Just kind of help pop it out. And that will make getting that fractionated coconut oil into the roller blend a lot easier. You may also like some labels like this to put onto your roller bottle so you know what's in it. Okay, so I'm going to grab my blue 10ml roller bottle and I'm going to add the fractionated coconut oil in it with a glass pipette. I like these ones because you can just wash them out and use them again. The fractionated coconut oil I like to use because it has quite a neutral scent to it, and it also will stay in its liquid state even if it's cold. So it's an ideal base oil to put in a roller ball, but you can also use jojoba oil and things like that. I now have my lemon essential oil here and I'm going to put about 4 drops in it. Lemon essential oil moves very fast because it's a very light scent and it's a very thin oil. I'm also going to make it a richer scent by putting in just 1 drop of sandalwood. As you can see, this oil is very thick and it moves very, very slow. I've had to speed this up a bit because it just really deepens the scent, and because it does that, it's just such a thick oil, and hopefully it will help to anchor that scent to the skin a bit more. Now I'm just going to put the tip of the roller ball back into the bottle and then put the lid on. Already I just think that looks amazing, very, very nice. And now I'm going to make sure I label it properly with the lemon sticker and with the sandalwood sticker as well, making sure that it's all proper and you don't want to get it lost in your collection. And then I like to put on some sticky tape on top of that to waterproof and oil-proof those labels. And that is your little roller ball. I did choose to put some sandalwood in it to ground it, just like what I said, but it smells amazing. And some ways that you can use it is you can put it on your pulse point here on your wrist, and that can help you have a really lovely fragrance throughout the day. Or you can even put it on your pulse points here and here, and that will hopefully with the sandalwood, it will help to ground that scent throughout the day, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you have a good time making that one. Thanks for visiting the Natura Emporium Home Apothecary. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, then don't forget to subscribe for more DIY recipes that you can do at home. Thanks. Bye.